Hey guys, welcome to my first episode of the Dark Coders. I'll be doing all the coding in code blocks, so you gotta download that. And today I'm gonna do header file statement, data types, and inbuilt function. So bear with me and let's do it. Alright, so for our first C programming, it's gonna look like this. First, we have to write a header file that is hashtag include studio.h for program C, and we have to write the main function int main, and then we have to write our statement here. Now, thing is, what is this header file? Yeah, so this header file is actually it's a file that contains a declaration and micro definition of C in built-in function. Now, whatever I said was complete bookish way. All right, now let me tell you what I think. So hashtag studio.h, this is actually a file, all right? So a file that contains all the necessary function, inbuilt function, for example, printf, which I'm going to show you later, all right? This stuff, this stuff is actually inside that file, all right? So if I do not write this file, then this printf is not going to work. What printf gonna do, I'm gonna tell you guys later. Anyway, so basically what I think the imaginary way is that hashtag include studio.h acts like a commander, okay, or the boss that knows everything. All right, he knows, he orders stuff. So this is hashtag include studio.h. Now the thing is, next one is int main. All right, what is int main? Int integer main means that this is your battleground. All right, so you have to write all your strategies, all your statements, all your programming stuff right here, all right, on in between these braces. So we have gone through header file, we have gone through a main. Now we'll go through what's a statement. All right, for English, for example, a statement is, in English, a sentence, what we call a sentence is anything that starts with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Yeah. So, but in here, in program C, a statement is anything that you write and ends with a semicolon. That's it. That is a statement. It's very simple. Okay, now this time I am going to print out stuff. We're going to run the program and we are going to print out stuff. All right. So to print out stuff, we need this function, this inbuilt function known as printf. This helps us to print out stuff. So when I write printf and then inside semicolon, I write my sentence, and then as a statement I have to end it with a semicolon. Yeah, I say that. So in here, if I do it, then it's going to print out stuff. Print out what exactly? The dark coders. All right, so now I'm going to now we've finished the code. Now I have to what? I have to run it, right? So in order to run it, I have to go to build and then build and run. Build means basically it will just compile it together but will not run it, or in other words, it will not show us. But in here, build and run means it will compile it and then show us here the dark coders. Yep, it did come in neat. I'm gonna tell you about a bit more about printf. All right, it's like this: when computer reads it or when the compiler reads it, they they look at it like this: the dark coders. All right, they print that out, and then what if I wrote one more time printf welcome? All right, now when the compiler reads it, it reads like this: the dark coders. Okay, there's semicolon, next line, and then again print what? Welcome. All right, it does not think like, okay, there is another there's a space, there's a enter bar, so that means the welcome is supposed to come in the second line. No, they don't think like that. For example, if I build and then build and run, okay, see, look at that, the dark coders and then welcome, it does not come like one after the other on the second line. It doesn't read like that. So in other words, the compilers are a bit stupid. Okay, it's like, but you gotta have to tell them every single details. That's what this is. All right, so you have to tell them that you have to go to the second line. So in order to do that, I'm gonna teach you I'm gonna show you /n. All right, so /n, this thing tells that to go to the second line. Like when the compiler comes, it reads, okay, I have to printf the dark coders, and then I have to go to the second line /n. Now the compiler will be like, okay, I have to go to the second line. Then when they go to second line, then they read printf, okay, then I have to write welcome. So that's how they read it. All right, so let's run it. Build and run, and here you go. So the dark coders, and then on the second line it's welcome, just because of this /n right up here. All right. Now, let's say we want to we want to print out a pattern. Okay, so the pattern will look like this: star, enter, star, star, enter, star, star, star. All right, so it's gonna look like this pyramid. Now, how will I do it? Okay, very simple. It's just like that. Printf. Okay, and then I have to write one star, and then after this is one second line, right? So I have to add /n here. It means new line, and then I have to write printf again, printf, and then I have to write star star. Okay, and then I have to write, oh, by the way, I have to write /n because it's in the second line, and then again printf star 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 star. That's it. Okay, now in here you don't have to put the second another line. If you want to, it's okay, no problem. It will just the cursor is gonna go to second line. So again, build and run. Oh yeah, okay, I have to delete that. Okay, build and run. Yep, there you go. There's my pattern. That's it. That's how you work printf. Simple. Now for the last part of this tutorial, I would like you guys to print out this pattern. Very simple, and also use the solution in the next episode. And then, so see you in the next episode. And here are the glossary for this tutorial. I'll give the whole glossary or word meaning and then post it. Right now, this is far we have one.